Another thing with this slide is you'll see on this line here, this is, it says Proxy, and you see Hillsborough is direct. Brevard County is direct.
What does that
This
mean?
is Proxy. What direct means is if you bid 3.5%, that's what you're gonna get. Whatever you bid, if you're the winning bidder, that's what you will get. Proxy, Sarasota is a proxy county, means that if you bid 6% and the next lowest bidder is 10%, you will be proxied up to 9.75%. So you will get more than what you were willing to settle for on your bid. So proxy is great. I've bid 0.25% even on some properties, and it's been proxied up to 17 or whatever. So that's good. Whereas if it was a direct, I would have just got the amount that I bid. There's no chance for a proxy.
That's why the banks all go in and bid a quarter on their big, when they come in and do a big buy.
Well, mainly because you're getting the 5% too.
Right.
And you find generally about almost half of them, I'd say, get redeemed within that first year.